Why do 70% of web developers prefer Bootstrap for their landing pages? Let's find out. First, download Bootstrap from getbootstrap.com. Unzip the file and link the CSS and JS in your HTML. Next, create a container div to center your content. Inside, add a row and call classes for a responsive grid. Now, let's add a navigation bar. Use the navbar expand LG, and navbar light classes. Add a brand link and some nav links. Time for the hero section. Add a Jumbotron class for a big headline. Write a catchy header and a subheader. Finish with a call to action button. Use BTN and BTN primary classes. And there you go. A beautiful landing page with Bootstrap. Happy coding!